I hope you are very fine at your home. I'm Shailu from Social Science Department. Now I am going to teach about the climate of India. What is that? Climate of India. What is climate? The normal weather condition of a particular region. Okay, see, it is the average condition for a long period, like raining for a month, snowfall for a month. Okay, see, the climate is very important for food production, water availability, wildlife, and human health also. Okay, see, what is the difference between weather and climate? Weather is the day-to-day state of the atmosphere. Like if you see outside, means raining in the morning, or a clear sky in the afternoon maybe, or a brightness in the morning, or sometimes it's raining in the evening, like that changes in the happening. That is weather. Okay, see, what is climate? Climate is the weather of a place averaged over a period of time. Okay, see this, under this I'm going to explain about the seasons. In India we have the different types of seasons. See, the first one is summer, second one is monsoon, third one is winter, and fourth and fifth is autumn and spring. Okay, see, before that I am explaining the seasons. Season is a division of the year marked by changes in weather. Weather means, you know, day-to-day state of the atmosphere. Okay, see how the seasons is forming. See, seasons of the earth occur because of the rotations of the earth on its axis and revolutions around the sun. Okay, see, we have the 12 months. Am I right? According to that, the seasons are it's having a different parts. Okay, see, based on this seasons, the plants will grow, and also the animals also living, and we also surveying of this earth. Am I right? You all know, according to this seasons, we are surveying this planet. Okay, see, what is the first season? Summer, right? The summer is the hottest or warmest season. What is that? Hottest or warmest season. This season means it starts in the month of the April and end in the month of the June. Okay, see, usually the month of the April, May, June, we feel so hot. Really, we will feel so hot. Normally we will say that climate is so hot, isn't it, students? See, based on that, we used to wear dresses, or we used to eat foods, or we will go to some other places like seashore or hilly places. Okay, see why we are doing like this? Because it can be very hot in the plain region, plains, desert regions, or plateau regions. Plain regions means open land. Okay, see, open land like our area, like see, India, Kerala, like that. This area, which means open place. Okay, open places, plain region. Desert region, Thar desert. In India we have the Thar desert, right? In Rajasthan. Okay, see, the next one is that plateau region, right? We have a lot of plateau regions like the Deccan Plateau, Meghalaya Plateau, like that. We have the plateau. That regions like high land area. We have a lot of heat compared to the coastal areas. Okay, we like a coastal area means around this Bay of Bengal, Indian Ocean, Arabian Sea. This surrounding of this area compared to this area, there the plains area, desert areas, and plateau regions are very hot. Okay, see, hilly areas have pleasant season because why the hilly areas? It's a mountain. Okay, you know, like Ooty, Kodaikanal, they are having a pleasant summer seasons. Okay, see, what is the first season? Summer season. SUMMER. Summer season. Summer season. Keep it in your mind. It is the hottest or warmest season. Okay, keep it in your mind. Which month it occur? During the month of the April, May, June. Okay, these 3 months is the fully the hottest or warmest seasons. Okay, see, next I'm moving to the second season. Second season. What is the second season? Monsoon season. What is the spelling of monsoon? MONSOON. Monsoon. See, this season, what will be? It is very hottest or coolest. What season maybe? Just you think it. You want to know. Monsoon means rainy season. Okay, it's that season is fully rain. Okay, see, it is the rainy season. It is usually when it will occur June, July, and August. Sometimes it's the starting of the September. Okay, see, compared to the north, which means see, compared to the northern region, south we are south, right? Like Tamil Nadu, Kerala, Karnataka, the Andhra, these areas will receive more rain during this seasons, okay, compared to the north, okay, northern parts region, we will get the more rains, okay. See, we will get a lot of rain during this period. You can see during this month of the June, okay, because a lot of rain we will get, okay. See, okay, this coastal areas also get a lot of rain during this seasons, okay. See how this rainfall is forming or how the rainfall is occur. Do you know that is, you all know it, I'm telling about that. The amount of the moisture in the air, it rises when the sun heat and it converts water from the oceans, seas, lakes, rivers and converts it into the water vapor. Okay, here it cools and it become water and it fall as a rain. Okay, okay students, see this is the how it is forming the rainfall. See, the monsoon season is very important season for Indian peoples, because without this season we didn't get the foods. It is very important for the agriculture side. Okay, I am telling about that. See, all parts of the places do not get the same amount of the rain. Do you know that? Because we are sitting in different status, no? So we didn't get the same types of the rainfall. Okay, sometimes we will get the more rainfall and some other places getting different rainfall. Like that you will feel in Kerala will be many rains sometimes, and in Tamil Nadu will be many rains. Like that it's a change occurs. Okay, do you know about the southwest monsoon season? See, southwest monsoon season is also known as the monsoon season. Okay, see, the southwest monsoon wind which blow from south directions to the subcontinent, which means south directions to the this directions. Okay, here this Nepal, China, okay, here to here, this directions. Okay, listen, it is, this season is also known as, you know that, summer monsoon. Okay, summer monsoon. Simple, we can say wind blow from sea to land. Okay, sea, this sea part of the area to the land area. This during this monsoon season, this wind is blow from here to this direction is southwest monsoon season. Wind causing, how the wind is causing, do you know that the movement of the air from high pressure area to the low pressure area is causing the wind. Okay, the next, see how the rain is essential. The rain is very essential for the growth of the crops, because without the rain we can't able to grow the crops, right? Do you know that, students? Yeah, you all know. See, the farmers in India wait eagerly for this season to keep crops and cultivations, etc. Okay, see, seasons is very important for the cultivation point of view, because without the seasons we can't able to cultivate. The particular the farmers know, all of them know. See, this season is suitable for this crops and this season is suitable for that crops. Like that, that farmers is know. Am I right? See, based on this monsoon season, they cultivate the crops. Okay, like paddy, wheat, like that, etc. You all know. Am I right, students? See, this season play a vital role in the food productions for millions of people. It helps to grow food for us, and it is also known as crop season. Okay, see, this season is known as crop season because there are a lot of them cultivate during this season, this monsoon season. What is the second season? Monsoon season. MONSOON, monsoon seasons. Okay, see, it is the rainy season, or it is also known as summer monsoon season or southwest monsoon season. Okay, see, students, next topic. See, next heading, winter. The third one is winter season. Winter season means, see, it is the coldest seasons. Okay, see, usually the October to January, it is very cold in the mountain region or hilly regions. Okay, see, and night in the desert regions also. Mountain and hilly, all know, Himalayan mountains and some other mountains. Okay, see, like Valcheria, hilly regions like Ooty, Kodaikanal and all, so we feel so cold in that time. Okay, see, and night in the desert also. Desert means in India we have the Thar desert. Okay, that regions we feel so cold in that time. See, I told that the season falls between the month of the October to Jan. Okay, you all know that period is very cold in inland part of or far away from sea. During this seasons, the day are short and night are cold and long. Okay, see, usually the monk will say, just you keep the gulla or cap on your head during the night time. If you go out, put any shawls on your head. Am I right, students? Because from if you will suffer a lot from the cold. Due to this affections, we will affect cough or fever, right, students? Yes, this season bring a freezing temperature and snow, ice. Really, you will love this season, students. You can sleep well at your home, right, students? In winter, you feel want to be keep warm, right? So that no need to put AC or fan, right? Really, you won't. Like to put the AC or fan, right? Okay, see what you will eat during this season, during this winter season, what you will eat. Just you think that. See students, you will searching for a cool drinks? Yes? No. See, you will search for hot water or soup or tea or coffee, am I right? Okay, see students, December, you know, December is very coldest month, am I right? See, okay, see during this December, it's very coldest month. You can see the heavy rainfall in Himalayan foothills. Okay, see Himalayan here. This part of the region, you can see the heavy rainfall in Himalayan foothills. You can see the snowfall also. Okay, see why it's you can see the huge amount of the snowfall in there. See, listen, see, students, some other states also we can visible that snowfall, so like Jammu and Kashmir and Delhi here, this part of the regions. Okay, this part of the regions we can see this lot of the snowfalls. Okay, see the northeast monsoon blow from land to the sea. See this land to the sea here. This seasons from the land opposite directions. Okay, see before that I told that southwest monsoons, am I right? That is flowing this wind direction is here to this direction. During the winter season, the here to here. Okay, from the here this directions land to the sea directions. So that time, so that only the snowfall is happening in the northern regions. Okay, that time. See this seasons comes after fall and before that spring. Okay, see this once again I am repeating. See this third one is winter seasons. See this season is very coldest season. This season northeast monsoon. Okay, this occur. It is from land to sea. Okay, this wind is blow from land to sea. Because of this, rainfall or snowfall is causing in the northern regions. Okay, during this winter season, you all love this season. I know that because it's a very coldest and it's occurring mostly very cold during this December time. Okay, Christ, born of Christ. That time you feel so snow. Am I right? Why that means? Because of this reasons only. Okay, students. See, the next one is the fourth one is autumn season. The fourth one is autumn season. No, that season is what is mean by that season means. See, it is known as fall seasons or post monsoon season. Students, it is also known as the post monsoon season. Okay, see, usually this October, November. Or it comes before winter, between the end of the monsoon or mid-October. Okay, actually, so you all know October. Okay, see during this time the autumn will be there in India. Okay, see this season comes after the rainy season, which means you all know monsoon season. Okay, because you all know monsoon season when it's happening starting June. Okay, June. August, you all know June, July, August. Okay, see for this autumn season when it is happening October and November. Okay, see, okay, it is the very short season. This time we can see that darkening night and the cooling temperature. Okay, we can feel that darkening night and cooling effect, cooling temperature. During autumn, trees shed their leaves and which turn red or brownish before they fall in the ground. Okay, before they fall in the ground, you can see this brownish color the leaves. Okay, you can see this beautiful atmosphere. During this time, plants stop making foods and the leaves fall off the trees and the color is all very amazing. See, you know now about the autumn seasons. See, just to remember that autumn season is fall season. Okay, it is also known as the post monsoon season. When it will occur during the month of the October or November. Okay, October or November. See, this season is when it will come. It will come after the raining seasons. Okay, students. See, these all things keep to your mind about the autumn season. Okay. See, autumn season, so it is shed their leaves and fall the leaves to the ground. Okay, from the tree fall to the ground and it's become the leaf, the tree will be there during this autumn season. If you watch outside of the trees during this October November time, you can note that every trees are tanned to the brownish and it will fell down. Okay, see, okay, this, what is the spelling of autumn? A-U-T-U-M-N. Okay, autumn spelling A-U-T-U-M-N. Okay, okay, students, see, okay, the next, the last one, the fifth one is spring. Spring season. What is the spelling of spring season? S-P-R-I-N-G. Spring season. Okay. So this season is very pleasant season or it is a beautiful season. It is not too hot or too cold this season. Did you notice the spring season? If I tell about this means you, I think you know this season and you love the season. Okay. See, we can see new leaves on trees during this time. This spring season, you can see a new leaves on the trees. It comes just before summer, which means during the month of the March April season. Okay, see, this time the spring season is appear. Okay, see, many flowers blossom during this period. It is seen as a season of the growth and it is renewal. Okay, the new leaves and new growth will be there. Okay, in this season time. During this season, 32 degrees Celsius will be there. Okay, see, it comes after winter and before summer. The season when it will come during this time, when it will come winter, after the winter and before the summer. You can see the birds are singing and flowers are blossoming and butterflies are flying in front of you this time. Children, do you know that the rebirth of the Christ is happen in this period in a year? Do you know that? Did you notice that? Yes, you note it every time, the rebirth of the Christ, which means you are celebrating the first feast, which means Easter. Okay, see, Easter also during this period only in a year it will celebrating. Okay, we are celebrating this festivals. Okay, see, everywhere blossomings of trees and flowers during this season. Everything again come back into the life during this seasons. Okay, see, during spring seasons, if you went to the Ooty, Manali, Darjeeling, Tekadi, like that places, you know that Ooty in where? In Tamil Nadu, right? You all know Ooty and Kodaikanal in Tamil Nadu. Then what about Manali? Manali in where? You all know where it is located? In Himachal. Okay, in Himachal Pradesh. And next, what is that? Darjeeling, where it is located? It is located in the West Bengal regions. Okay. See, then Tekadi, where it is located? Do you know this? Huh? Yeah, it is located in the Kerala. Okay. Enjoy the climate during this time. If you went to this type of the regions, you can Kerala, like West Bengal, like this area, if you went, you can enjoy this season in there. Okay, like during the March, April month and all, you will go to the summer holidays, right? At that time, this continuation of the spring season, you will see the lot of flowers in the Ooty Kodaikanal, right? You all, did you see there? Flower garden and all, because of this spring season, so that you can see a lot of flowers and blossoming the flowers and new trees, new leaves in trees and all you can see and enjoy during this month of the March, April. Okay, see this season. What is this season? Spring season. Did you understand what is spring season? Will you notice hereafter what are the changes is happening in your surrounding place? You can just note it. What is that? Okay, what season is this? If the hottest means you just note that. If the month of the May, June, you can note that. Yeah, its season is summer, and if the rainy season means yeah, it's coming June, no? So full of monsoon season. You can find this this rainfall is monsoon season. Am I right? Then warmest season is what is that? Summer. Okay. Coolest season, what is that? Coolest season is what is that? Winter season. Okay. See, coolest season. This season so occur when December time. During the December, you have to remember this season. This month is full of winter seasons. Okay. Next, autumn season when it is the autumn season, just you remember what I told there. October, during the October and November, right? Yeah, during the October and November, that time the autumn season will be there. The leaves or everything is shed up, and when it will go during the continuations of winter seasons like January, February, March, April and all, it's full of new leaves will be in the trees. Okay, that season is the spring season. Okay, see, okay, did you understand everything, students? See, listen, what are the 5 different types of the seasons we have in India? We have what are the types of the seasons? The first one is summer, second one is monsoon, third one is winter, fourth and fifth is what is that? Autumn and spring. Keep it in your mind. Don't forget that this seasons, and don't forget to notice this seasons from your home. Okay, see students, I am giving a simple activity to you. Listen students, I am going to give this activity. Please do it in your home. Do or make any 4 seasons tree graft, which means just you make a tree. During the summer season, how will be the tree? And during the winter season, how will be the tree? During the summer season, how will be the tree? Do you know that I explained everything. During the summer season, how it's the warmest and hottest. During that warmest and hottest, the tree can't able to freshness, am I right? It's somewhat a dryness. So just to prepare. Okay. Then winter season, it's a full of form of snow, am I right? So keep in mind that tree. So how it will be during the winter seasons, and the monsoon season, rainy seasons, how will be the tree? Okay. Then autumn season, how will be the tree? You all know the leaves are shed on the from the trees to the ground, am I right? So you know like the leaves are falling, like that just you create in your chart paper. Okay, don't forget to prepare. Okay students, then spring season, how it will be there? Spring season is full of new and light green leaf. Okay, so just you whatever I explained, just you keep it in your mind and prepare the tree graft. Okay, please, a model of tree graft just you create. If you want to more clarification about this activity, just you Google it, or if you understand from my everything from my notes, just you can do it. Okay, just you understand my the explain part, and just you do it this activity. Okay, to everyone who will watch this video, I hope you all understand everything, and you are just you do this activity at your home and be safe at your home. Thank you all.